Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking in a focused niche and a short list of 10 target keywords that match viewer intent. This guides every choice. Once done, name the channel and write a keyword-rich description that explains value and includes 2-3 primary targets. Make a consistent thumbnail template and upload channel art so viewers recognize you. Then create playlists and default settings. These initial signals help YouTube understand your content and surface it to the right audience. You now optimize every video with deliberate on-page SEO. Start by front-loading the primary keyword in a concise title under 60 characters, then craft a 200-plus word description that explains the video, includes timestamps, and reinforces secondary keywords naturally. Make a custom thumbnail that contrasts and reads at small sizes, and add 8-12 relevant tags plus the correct category. Once uploaded, enable end screens and 1-2 cards to boost session time. Those watch signals are what push rankings upward. You finish by amplifying early signals. Share the video across social, email lists, and in community posts during the first 24 to 72 hours to maximize momentum. Then monitor CTR, average view duration, and impressions in YouTube Analytics, and make incremental changes to thumbnails, chaptering, or pacing to improve watch time. If growth stalls, run a /B thumbnail tests and tweak titles or the first 30 seconds of content. That quick experimentation usually reveals the bottleneck and restores traction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.